Sensex above 20,000. It's important that we stay above that psychological mark of 20,000. HUL. Check on that stock. It lost about 7% yesterday, and today it has lost another 6%. So it's indeed a big gap down open for HUL. So far we've seen the good part of the Q3 earnings season, but this is the first accident from the Nifty 50 basket when it comes to quarterly performance. Excuse me. First real big disappointment. ITC is at 290, Reliance is at 924. Do monitor ITC because ITC numbers were solid, they were way above estimates at a time when HUL is underperforming, and HUL, the business is slowing down. ITC in the near term could outperform. 34 points up for the Sensex, 13 points up for the Nifty. The breadth of the market is not looking strong. Reliance is holding on. State Bank of India is holding on. HUL looks like it's a bottomless pit because it has now fallen more than 6.5%. HDFC Bank is looking okay. Arcom ahead of numbers is looking flat. And then you've got Sun TV and Z, which are also due to declare numbers today.
Oh yes, indeed. Let's take a look at some of the broader market calls this morning. Starting off with KSA and Kingfisher Airlines. The stock closed higher in the session. SpiceJet should also come up on your screens. That one opens lower in trade. SpiceJet will be on your screens in a bit. Polaris on the back of earnings will be in focus, as will be Amtech Auto. Polaris in the session, that one is down about 0.7%. Amtech Auto up about 2%. Some of the mid-tier banking stocks, the Syndicate Bank and Oriental Bank of Commerce open higher. Union Bank of India, Andhra Bank. In fact, in the top 5 to 10 gainers, I see a lot of the mid-tier banking names. The Sun TV also opens higher ahead of earnings. GVK Power has a higher opening. Unitech is looking good this morning. And you have the likes of United Phosphorus, which are also picking it up in this session. I should bring up some recommendations, trading recommendations this morning in Apollo Tyres, Asian Paints. That one, as you can see on your screens, up about 0.5%. Dish TV should also come up on your screens in just a bit. IGL and HDL, these are some stocks which will be in focus. IGL, HDL opening slightly in the green. Some more losers then. In the opening minutes of trade, to highlight them for you. Ashok Leyland opens lower about 1.5% in the session. Bata India is down about 0.7%. You have Hexaware also, which has had a slightly weaker opening. Aside of that, a bit of correction, as I pointed out, in Dish TV and Adani Enterprises.